Hey everyone, I'm here to demonstrate the project that I've built during the Open House Hackathon in 2025. Let's just take a look and I'll just let you all guys take a look through how it works and why does it matter. Basically, my hackathon project is a platform for freelancers to make their lives easy. Now that the development server is on, let's just click onto the network and go to the project. Let's say open. So this is how it looks at the first glance. This is the home page or the main interface of the platform that I have built, which is called ArBi Freelance. So this is a platform for the freelancers where it's a decentralized platform, a decentralized freelancing platform built specifically for the Arbitrum ecosystem that fundamentally transforms how freelancers and clients interact in a global gig economy. Uh, and it basically leverages Arbitrum's fast and cost-effective layer 2 infrastructure. The ArBi freelance creates a trustless environment where smart contracts automatically handle all the critical functions, ensuring both parties receive fair treatment without any intermediary exploitation. That basically happens in all other, I mean, the most of the freelancing platforms that we um, know about. As we can see, this is how it looks at the first glance. We have these cute little animations, which is something eye-catching. And we have connected with our Arbitrum Sepolia wallet, which is connected through MetaMask. I can once again show you how to connect. We can just disconnect. We can connect to our MetaMask wallet. The interface opens up. We can click on connect and it gets connected. We have the Arbitrum 1, we have the Arbitrum Sepolia, which has zero point 0.1 ETH, which can be used further. We'll just take a look deep into this platform, what it has to offer, and yeah, this is the browse job interface. In this interface, we have these jobs being listed where a freelancer can view a detail, I mean, view the details, and he can just look into what are his interests. Let's say a freelancer wants to work in Web3. Web3. So yeah, um, the search bar gets you all the results that concerns to the Web3. We can load more jobs, and here we go. Also, the freelancer can sort the jobs in categories like the jobs which are open, the jobs which are in progress, and the jobs which are completed. Also, with the highest budget and the lowest budget. And for the client, for the any client, he can also post the job. Let's say Solidity developer. The price he can pay is 5,500 USDC. Solidity Dev Ops. Let's say again Solidity. The duration would be 2 months, which will be 60 days, and we can post the job. And it gets posted, and we get the notification which says Solidity Dev job has been posted successfully. Moving to the next interface, which is the dashboard, also the freelancer marketplace dashboard. Here, the freelancer or the clients can view to the different jobs, which are active jobs, jobs posted, completed jobs, and many other. Let's say in the active jobs, a freelancer wants to view the details. He can view the details and he can apply to the job. He can click here posted, in progress, completed. Can go here, sort out with the highest budget, sort out with the lowest budget, search with the jobs, Web3. You can load more, and here it goes. Also, in the previous interface, which we are now, in the all jobs, when a freelancer wants to apply for a particular job, he can just sort out with the jobs which are open and click on apply now, or he can click on the view details and apply. His application gets submitted for that particular job. Also, this platform has something called community disputes. This feature is particularly is added for resolving the disputes between the client and the freelancer. Here, the all the disputes are being listed where the clients and the freelancer community can analyze the disputes and they can make their decision by voting on the whoever is right or taking the sides. Like it's up to them. This is the feature where you can see there's a dispute one which says community management bot, and this has been resolved in favor of client because it's obvious that the freelancer didn't do his job well. Also, we have many other disputes here. Mm, we can load more. Yeah, as you can see here, there is something called liquidity pool manager. I like now you can see the details here. There are votes for two freelancers and votes for two clients. To make it on one-sided, I'll just make my analysis and will vote for the freelancer because I believe the freelancer did a good job. So, voted, and yes, the dispute has been resolved in favor of freelancer. Similarly, we can load any other disputes which are ongoing, let's say favor client. If the clients get another vote by another freelancer or the client, the dispute gets resolved in favor of the client, and of course there goes uh, further investigation until final verdict has been given. Also, we can undo our votes, and this is how the community disputes feature is functional here. And yes, that's it. I hope you guys have enjoyed the demonstration for now. Thank you.